I'm going to put gas in my car. Yeah, here it's do it yourself. Yeah, that's my car. Let's do the gassing of the car. So I think it's too far from the thing. Oh, I forgot to open the car thing. It's over here on the bottom. Over here. Okay. Yeah, you see now it's open. Oh dear. And then I don't know if this thing gonna come up here. Yes, it will. Okay, I'll just do this first. I have to pay in the machine. You have to insert the car. No, thank you. 100. Okay. Remove the card and lay up. Oh, thanks. Remove the nozzle and regular. And then I come here and I gas my car. And this thing has the thing here to put it there to gas it.